What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're gonna have a closer look on these sneakers. These are again the Nike Zoom Freak 2 by Giannis Antetokounmpo. Okay guys, so these sneakers are the second signature sneakers of Giannis Antetokounmpo, and actually I love the first one. I like the backward swoosh, but this one is something really different. It doesn't look similar to the Zoom Freak ones. However, if you look closer at the sneakers, you will see a lot of resemblance on the details. These are also the second colorway that was released for the Zoom Freak 2s. The first colorway that they released are the Naija colorway, which is the Nigerian colorway. That is the first one that they released, I think, about 2-3 weeks ago. And this one, actually, it's not yet out on the market or in the stores. However, you could purchase these through the Nike website. Unfortunately, because of the current situation that we're facing right now, if you order these through the Nike website, you will probably get it next month. Now, before we look closer in these sneakers, let me just remind you that we have a current giveaways. We're giving away up to 13 sneakers. Yes, 13 sneakers, guys. And 10 of those is only for this channel. And the other 3 is actually in collaboration with my other YouTube friends. Please check out the description box down below and follow every single one of the mechanics so that you could join or have a chance to win one of those sneakers. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the reason on why you click this video. This is again the Nike Zoom Freak 2, the signature sneakers or the second signature sneakers of Giannis Antetokounmpo. So as you can see, it is really nice. It's a simple design, a simple colorway, but I like it so much. So now let's check the details on these sneakers. So let's start first on the bottom of the sneakers, which is the outsole. So for this particular colorway, this is a semi-translucent rubber. As you can see, it has a radial pattern on the forefoot, and on the heel it's a different kind of pattern. So I'm not really sure what kind of pattern is this, but as you can see, there is the names of the family of Giannis. So on the top you will see Giannis's name, then Costa's name, then you have Francis over here, and then here we have Alex, and on this side is Thanasis. Now if you notice, the outsole is actually decoupled, so it's split in two for the forefoot and the heel because Nike wants Giannis to be more flexible when he's making his moves. And on the middle part, you will see the names of Giannis's parents, Charles and Veronica. So as you can see, since the Freak 1, Giannis always involves his family on his signature sneakers. Now on the midsole, they use Cushlon. Cushlon is a kind of a soft foam that Nike uses. They don't normally promote it, but it's actually really soft. And some details on the midsole that you will see or on the foam is the Freak over here, which I like the most. So it's actually like a signature for these sneakers. And then you will see Zoom Air over here. These sneakers only have one zoom unit and it's on the forefoot, because normally Nike puts the Zoom logo where the zoom is, but unfortunately here it doesn't have any zoom on this part. The zoom is only on this part. It has a small, I'm not sure if you could see, but I can see it over here. It's just a small pod of zoom unit. So it's not like your Kyrie 6 or Kyrie 5 that has the full super zoom unit in front. This one just have a strip of zoom over this side. However, they changed the construction of the zoom unit on these sneakers because on the Freak ones, the zoom is actually encapsulated on the foam. However, for this particular pair, the zoom unit is actually on the bottom. The zoom unit is actually on the bottom, which is on this part. So it's actually on top of the outsole. Another thing on the outsole is that it has this outrigger. I'm not sure if you would notice this part. So this one supports Giannis whenever he do lateral movements. So instead of rolling his ankles, because of this outrigger over here, this part, it helps him contain the pressure of his movements. So this thick outrigger over here will help Giannis from rolling his ankles. So as we all know, Giannis is a very, very powerful person and literally powerful. So Nike added additional protection for Giannis or support on the midsole. So they added this 2-piece of TPU so that it would help contain Giannis's foot when he's moving. So sometimes when you're so powerful, when you move, there will be some slippage. So with this 2-piece, it will help out Giannis from slipping out from the base of the sneakers. Now moving on to the upper, on the top of that TPU plastic that you will see, there's an additional support on the bottom of this swoosh. There is additional stitching as you can see. So that one also helps out on the containment of these sneakers. And since I mentioned the swoosh, as you can see, the swoosh is in a white synthetic leather and it has embroidered design. But I'm not really sure what is the meaning of the design of this swoosh. The upper of these sneakers is made out of 3 materials, at least for this particular colorway. So on the toe area, up to the half of the lateral side, it is a canvas material, a very thick canvas material. So it gives a lot of protection. And then on the medial side, it has this felt material. At first, I thought it was suede material, but then when I look at it closer, I noticed that it is actually felt. But it's not your typical or a cheap felt material that they use. This is kind of probably the top of the line of felt materials that they use from the medial side, and it goes around on the half of the lateral side. Now the other material that they use on the upper of the sneakers is on the heel part, this part. So this is actually mesh. So now going back to the swoosh, the big swoosh on the lateral side, it actually connects and wraps around the sneakers and then connecting it to the other smaller swoosh on the medial side. So this connection over here, this is sort of like a neoprene material which serves as the pull tab. However, for me, in my own personal opinion, it's kind of hard to pull it because it's the hole is quite narrow. So I'm not sure if this was really intended to be used, or it's just for aesthetic reason or for protection, additional protection on the heel. Another detail in these sneakers is this fuse overlay on the toe area over here, as you can see. So this one would help give additional protection on the sneakers in case you drag your toes. Now the laces is just your typical black laces, and then the tongue over here is made out of this is neoprene material, and on the top you have, this is what I like, the Freak logo with the Nike swoosh. So this is really, really nice. Now the sock liner is also in black, and the insole, I'm not sure if you could see, let me just pull it out. The insole is actually in orange, and it has, oh, it's kind of difficult to take out, so I'm not gonna take it out anymore. But anyway, the insole is in orange, and it has the logo of Giannis over there. And then on the bottom part, you would see the slogan, "I am my father's legacy," which you would also see on the Zoom Freak one. So guys, those are the details of these sneakers. So during the launch of these sneakers, there are 4 colorways that they featured: the Nigerian colorway, this colorway, the black colorway, and then the white cement colorway, and there's another one. I'm not sure what's the name of that colorway, but that is also nice. So those are the initial 4 colorways of the Freak 2. Currently, you can only get the Nigerian colorway or this colorway through the Nike website. But I'm waiting for the white cement colorway because that is also dope. Additional note, guys, that Nike already launched the Nike Bayou for these sneakers, the Freak 2. So you can already customize the colors that you want for this particular pairs. I've tried it already and I've done a lot of the Nike Bayou designs from the Nike website. So the retail price of these sneakers is at $130 US, or here in the Philippines at 6,445 pesos. I haven't worn these yet, but I'm very excited to wear these and show you how it looks on feet. Let's go! Okay guys, do you like how it look on feet? So the fitting of these sneakers is actually true to size. However, it's almost the same as the Freak 1. However, if you have wider feet, I would suggest you go at least half a size up. But if you are a narrow footer, then definitely true to size is just good for you. And that is my opinion if you're gonna play on these. However, if you're just gonna wear these casually, then it depends on what fit you like. If you want a very snug fit, then you go true to size. If you like a lot of room when you're wearing them casually, then you go at least half a size or even a full size up. So guys, that's about it. This is the Giannis sneakers or the Nike Zoom Freak 2, the second signature sneakers of Giannis Antetokounmpo. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on the comment section down below. Do you like this pair? Do you like the Zoom Freak 1 better? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. But before we end this video, let me just remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away up to 13 sneakers. Please do check out the description box down below and follow every single one of the mechanics so you have a chance to win one of those 13 sneakers. Again guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.